Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn perfume notes. Begin by understanding the fundamental structure of fragrance, which is typically divided into 3 distinct layers. These layers, known as top, middle, and base notes, unfold sequentially over several hours. Developing your ability to identify these individual components requires consistent and deliberate practice, much like training any other sensory skill. This systematic approach is the most effective way to master the art of fragrance identification. The olfactory pyramid illustrates how a fragrance evolves. Top notes like citrus or light florals provide the first impression, typically lasting for 5 to 15 minutes. Following these are the heart or middle notes, often floral or spicy, which develop over 30 minutes to 1 hour. Finally, the base notes, such as woods or resins, anchor the scent, providing depth and longevity for several hours, sometimes even more than 6 hours. To effectively learn, start by smelling individual essential oils or single-note accords. This helps you isolate and memorize specific aromas like rose or sandalwood. Next, compare 2 or 3 different perfumes simultaneously, focusing on their distinct top, middle, and base notes. Maintain a detailed scent journal, noting your perceptions and how fragrances evolve on your skin. This consistent practice significantly enhances your ability to discern complex compositions. Expand your knowledge by exploring a wide range of fragrance families, such as fresh, floral, oriental, and woody. Each family offers unique characteristics and note combinations. Regularly revisit perfumes you have previously analyzed to strengthen your olfactory memory and confirm your initial impressions. Engaging with online or local fragrance communities can also provide valuable insights and new perspectives, accelerating your learning journey and deepening your appreciation for scent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.